Hey there, LinkedIn hustlers and AI enthusiasts. Today, we are diving deep into a game-changing strategy that could have you raking in $300 per LinkedIn post without lifting a finger to type. Buckle up, because we are about to explore how AI ghostwriting and personal branding hacks can transform your LinkedIn game and your bank account. Let's face it, LinkedIn influencers and CEOs are struggling. They know they need to post high-quality content consistently, but finding the time and inspiration? That's a whole other battle, and it's costing them big time in traffic and potential clients. But what if I told you there is a solution that not only saves time, but could also turn into a lucrative side hustle? By the end of this video, you'll have the keys to using ChatGPT for generating killer posts, personal branding frameworks that attract high-paying clients, and a proven model to turn this into a serious income stream. We are talking about the potential to hit $3,000 a month by posting just 5 times a week. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around, because I am about to show you it is not only possible, but entirely doable with the right approach. Now, why LinkedIn? Simple. It's the cream of the crop when it comes to high-ticket personal branding and thought leadership. We're seeing real people charging $300 to $500 per post, and some are hitting that sweet $3,000 monthly mark with minimal effort. And here's the kicker, with AI in your arsenal, you can scale this to heights you've never imagined. Let's break down the core strategy. First up, choose your niche and positioning. Are you targeting CEOs, coaches, or consultants? Pick a lane and stick to it. Your value message should be crystal clear. Something like AI ghostwriter for LinkedIn that saves influencers time and boosts engagement. Boom. You're not just a writer, you're a time-saving, engagement-boosting machine. Next, perfect your personal brand audit. This is where you show clients you're not just throwing AI-generated fluff at the wall. You understand their tone, their positioning, and most importantly, their pain points. And guess what? ChatGPT is your secret weapon here. Use it to analyze their brand history and existing content. It's like having a marketing team in your pocket. Now, let's talk prompt engineering. This is where the magic happens. We're not just asking ChatGPT to write a LinkedIn post. Oh no, we're getting specific. Try this. Write a LinkedIn post in first person, share a failure to success story with a value hook. See the difference? It's all about transforming bland AI output into top-tier, engagement-worthy content. But how do you turn this into a smooth operation for clients? It's all about the workflow. Build a simple process for churning out 1 to 2 posts per week. This system is your golden ticket to charging those premium rates of $300 or more per post. Now, let's talk about landing those high-value clients. Optimize your own LinkedIn profile first. Practice what you preach, right? Connect with CEOs and offer them a taste of what you can do. A free sample post or audit can be the foot in the door you need. This strategy isn't just pulled out of thin air. It's proven to work. Just ask Courtney Johnson and her LinkedIn ghostwriting side hustle success story. Let's look at some real-world results. We're seeing people pull in $3,000 a month ghostwriting for CEOs, and some are even hitting the $5,000 mark using AI tools like ChatGPT. And here's a mind-blowing stat for you. Across LinkedIn, there's potential for over 50% of long-form posts to be AI-generated. The future is here, folks, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. But how do you keep the content flowing without burning out? It's all about frequency and automation. Save templates in ChatGPT or Notion. Batch create 10 posts in one sitting, and don't forget about scheduling tools like Buffer or Hootsuite. Work smarter, not harder. Now, let's get real for a second. AI is a tool, not a replacement for your personality. Authenticity still matters. It's what builds trust with your audience. Be upfront about your use of AI where necessary, and always get client approval. Remember, we're aiming to respect LinkedIn's quality standards by mixing that AI efficiency with original insights. Let's talk money. Start by charging $300 per post, but don't stop there. Upsell packages for posts a month could easily net you $1,000 or more. And why not add on profile audits or personal brand consulting? The sky's the limit when it comes to scaling this business. So how do you get started? Here's your step-by-step game plan. First, identify your niche and client avatar. Who are you serving and what do they need? Next, position your brand and craft those ChatGPT prompts. Make them specific and tailored to your niche. Then focus on delivering smart, consistent content at scale. Quality and quantity, that's the sweet spot. Charge premium rates for your services and systematize your workflow. Efficiency is key to scaling. Finally, take your own side hustle and turn it into a full-fledged business. The potential is there. Seize it. Now, if you're ready to take action and want the actual ChatGPT prompt templates audit checklist and client outreach swipe copy I use, hit that link in the description or head over to AI Cashflow Lab. Trust me, it's a game changer. Before you go, drop a comment below. Tell me, what post theme would you ghostwrite as your first? I'm dying to hear your ideas. And hey, if you found value in this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. We've got tons more AI-powered income strategies coming your way, and you won't want to miss out. Remember, the future of LinkedIn content is here, and it's AI-powered. Will you be left behind, or will you ride this wave to financial freedom? The choice is yours. Until next time, keep hustling, keep innovating, and let AI be your secret weapon to LinkedIn success.